Hey guys, welcome back to PrayShopCruise. My name is Itiri. Today I'm going to be doing a journal with me video for Christmas in July. I've pulled some supplies, some journaling supplies. You've seen me do some journaling hauls on PrayShopCruise and on Itiri TV. Just if you haven't seen those hauls, go to one of my haul playlists on either channel. So I'm going to show you what I shopped for in my own stash, and then just probably do some quiet journaling. I am not a professional or talented person when it comes to journaling or even creative crafting. I just do it for therapeutic reasons. It helps with my mental health. If you want to see someone who's very talented with doing journal spreads, go and follow the Crafty Lefty. She has millions of followers. She's very well known in the journaling community. I'm not going to tag her. She's very well known. If you're a journaler and you haven't seen her, you've really been missing out. She's very talented. That's not what you're going to see on this video. You're just going to see me putting stickers down on pages. I'm not even going to try to coordinate or match anything up. I'm just really doing this to relax and to just, clear my headspace and think about something else today. So it'll give me a chance to use some of my journaling supplies, and especially some of my Christmas journaling supplies that I didn't purchase until toward the end of the year. So I'm going to flip over the camera, show you what I plan to use. Hopefully I stick to everything in my little shopping basket. And then I'll probably just turn on some music and do some journaling. I don't really plan to talk through it. I don't know yet how this video is going to go. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying your Christmas in July. Okay guys, so first we're going to shop my stash. I'm going to show you what I pulled. I don't think I will use all of these items. I was just sort of pulling what I felt like may look cute together for a summery Christmas type of a vibe. So this basket is one of my favorite things. I purchased this one from Books A Million. It was on clearance. It was like $5 or less. This one is bigger than the one that I found in Dollar Tree. This one is bigger and deeper, but I do like the one at Dollar Tree as well. I only found one of these at Dollar Tree. It's brown, and so if you see them, get them, because I love it for when I'm shopping my stash. So I pulled my 49 in Market flowers. I have a 49 in Market playlist over on Itiri TV. 49 in Market is probably my favorite paper craft collection if I had to pick one. And so I pulled some flowers. I doubt I will use these because I don't like dealing with having to stick these down a certain way. I have different types of glue, but I don't know if I'm gonna be in the mood for all that, but I pulled them. I will definitely be using this. This is some of the fabric tape by 49 in Market, one of my favorites. This has a lot of beautiful tropical colors for Christmas in July. I'm going to use this as the background in the journal, I think. I think this is going to be my background. This is actually lace washi tape. Lace. It's a lace washi tape roll. 49 in Market is the best washi tape, fabric tape roll company, in my opinion. Nobody tops their high-end quality. I'm going to be journaling in this journal. I decorated this with my stickers. I do have a video for when I decorated this. I haven't done anything in this one yet. This is actually a planner from Barnes & Noble. And I think, what was my intention? I think my intention was to do it in this dream board section, but now I'm kind of thinking I don't want to do that. But I kind of want to do a small journal because I don't want to have to worry about large pages. Let me pull another journal because I don't think this is what I want to do. Okay, I pulled this album from Ollie's. This has some thicker pages too. I don't know if I was planning to use this as a journal. I think I was. I got this from Ollie's for $2.99. I have multiples of these because I love it so much. I think I'm going to use this one for Christmas in July instead. So that works. Then I have my favorite craft bucket of things. This has my glue. This is my journal clip, scissors, tape. I mean, it has everything. It has everything I need, the tools for journaling. That stays close to me at all times. And then I'm going to show you some of the paper and stickers that I pulled. So I pulled this Paradise pad that I hauled from Ollie's. I may or may not cut some things out of this for Christmas in July. I don't know if I'm going to feel like playing with this or not, but I love this paper pad for summer. Of course, I pulled my Wrong sticker books. I have this one. This is my year sticker book. It has some phrases and stuff that I like. and it has some dolls that I like in here that I may use. And I pulled my Glam Babe Wrong sticker book because I may want to do some things with the pinks in here. I pulled my Charm Moment. This is from Doodle Diaries. You can also get one like this on Amazon, but I purchased this one from Doodle Diaries. I'm not sure which dolls and which colors I'm gonna really want to use yet, which is why I'm pulling a variety of sticker books and not just Christmas ones. I pulled Winter Wonderland by Wrong. I hauled this last year. If I'm in the mood, I'll put some playlists and some videos in the description, but I don't know if I'll be in the mood for that. That takes more work. Everything is work. Then I pulled the Wrong Whimsical Seasons. So we have some of our cold seasons, but we also have the warm seasons in here. So I'm thinking some of this summertime. I really like this summertime stuff. So I may pull some of that. You know, these sticker books are used for planning sticker books, but they also have dolls and things in them. And then I pulled the best sticker book ever for letters, just in case I wanted to put some of these letters. I have so many alphas on like separate sheets of paper, and I don't know where I stashed all my alphas. I've been moving stuff around, so I just pulled the sticker book for the letters. And then I pulled this sticker book. I think this one's from Doodle Diaries as well. Winter Interlude. I did a Doodle Diaries haul on this channel, PrayShopCruise, I believe. So I think I have like a other crafty hauls playlist. And this is one of my favorite sticker books because we start seeing some of the guys. Like, I don't want to live in a sticker book world where it's only women. I want men in my sticker book world. So I was really happy to starting to see some men with the women. So this is what I've pulled. It's just going to be mainly stickers. Nothing fancy. So, oh, I did pull washi tape. Let me move this basket. I did pull washi tape. I flipped this over by accident, and this is why I'm starting not to like these with the removable tabs, because this flipped over by accident and all the removable tabs separated out. I like this one. I like this one. I'm liking these colors possibly. This is like a script. It kind of matches this. But I also pulled some brighter washi tape that I have. Pulled some brighter ones. So I don't know. I may not even use the washi tape. I may just put some stickers down. So let's get busy. Let's figure this out. And yeah, let's figure this out.